Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a card that I titled Happy Easter, and I'm using the digital version of the collection, My Favorite Easter from Echo Park, and this is based on a template that I will be sharing as a freebie on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. So it's a very simple card. If I use a template, more complicated to make when I have no template to do that, because it's all in triangles there. So I'm just gluing those triangles on that back card there on the cardstock, and then I have this sentiment that I used one of my dies, my label dies, to cut out a label, and then stamped the sentiment on top, and that is pretty much my card done. I am going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.